ABC 10 News meteorologist Angelica Campos joining us now. I want to just bottle up today because it was super nice. I don't want to look forward to tomorrow.
It was so nice, Wale, that some parts of the county made it to the 70s, like Escondido, Santee, El Cajon, and Valley Center, to name a few. The conditions are going to be unsettled with more storms and rain in the forecast Friday, Saturday, and also into next week. We're going to see several days of additional rain. So far, we already have gotten everything for the year, what is typically normal. So what's happening? Some of you asking, is this El Nino, La Nina? What is happening? There was just an update today, and La Nina is actually over. We're now entering a neutral phase that is set to continue spring and summer. But in the summertime, it could change to El Nino. And if that pattern continues, potentially heading into the winter months, that would have a greater impact, of course, for the western portion of the country, which includes us. The temperatures right now in the 50s, Ramona 47, Julian 54 in Del Mar. Looking at clouds increasing already with heavy rain across much of the state from just north of LA all the way into the Bay Area. They have just been getting a lot of rain all day, and we expected this to be a problem maker, a system that would lead to potentially more snow in these areas, and it is falling right now. The atmospheric river basically giving the storm a boost and allowing for more rain to fall across the state. As far as we are concerned, some of those showers will start in the morning, but it'll be steadier by the end of the day, and it will continue into Saturday, tapering off in the afternoon, becoming drier on Sunday. Rain totals between 1/4 of an inch to almost an inch of rain for a couple of you, especially into our mountains and foothills. Also, a wind advisory will be in effect tomorrow evening into early Saturday with wind gusts of up to 55 miles per hour. And I do want to show you the trend here. You see the storm moves out, another one moves in, and then as we go into next week, another atmospheric river that could potentially bring just as much rain. And as it continues coming down, it is just going to lead to more problems. The ground simply can't take all this rain. There's nowhere for that water to go. The water tables are getting fuller, and so are the reservoirs. 62 degrees for tomorrow on average, a cooler day into the weekend. Also right around 62 degrees for the coast. Inland communities will stay in the mid 60s, 70 next week. It'll be partly cloudy on Monday. And if you just want the highlight of the nicer days, Sunday, Monday. The other days we're going to be tracking rain. Next week also looking at potential accumulations similar. So we could see another ½ an inch to an inch of rain if we add this 3 systems tapping into an atmospheric river. It is possible that within the next 10 days or even in 11 days, there could be another 1 up to 3 inches of rain that are falling across the area. So we're going to make sure to keep everyone up to the latest.
You know, we used to complain about the drought numbers all the time, and now
it's the rain.
Somebody was listening. Thank you, Angelica. Well,